Hi, this is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi there, welcome back to Step To It. Today we're going to talk about toe fans. Now, they're usually a 2-count movement, but they're not usually done all by itself. So what I mean by that is if I'm going to do a right toe fan, I usually do a left toe fan. So a toe fan looks like this. I push my toe out and I bring my toes back in. Same thing on the left, out and in. Sometimes the choreographer wants us to do 2 of them together and then 2 of them together on the other side. Or you can do 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and. Toe fans. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.